Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to quickly review how to fill out activities and awards for the UC application. So you see here there's a paragraph that basically tells you that the UC wants to know what you did outside of the classroom. So what they want to know is anything that is not already on your transcript. So if you received any awards, if you were part of any activities, clubs, things like that. So if you don't have anything to report, you can say have no activities or awards to report, but I encourage you to really think about what you've done in the last few years on campus. Maybe you've been involved outside of campus with your church or your community. When ready, click on Add an Activity or Award. The first thing you want to do is read the different kinds of categories. So there is award or honor, educational preparation program, extracurricular activity, volunteer community service, or work experience. Once you've determined what the activity is that you want to report, you're going to go down to this category section, click on the scroll down menu, and click the one that best describes the activity that you're going to report. Maybe you have work experience to report, so click on work experience, and then you answer questions about that activity. Where did you work, and briefly describe the company organization that you worked for. What was your job title, and what were your job responsibilities? You have 350 characters, and you want to make sure that you spell check and do a grammar check as well. When did you work? Was it 9th grade, 10th grade? Was it 12th grade and above? Do you still work at this job? Yes or no? And then when ready, click on Save and Continue. So every activity that you click on will have a separate set of questions, and they'll look a little bit different, and it's a way for the UC to get more information about what you did. So be thoughtful in your responses when describing the program, the place that you worked, and so on. And then also indicate how many years you were involved. And then in some cases, so for example here it says educational preparation program, it also asks you to say approximately how much time did you spend on this program, how many hours per week, how many hours per year, and then Save and Continue. So list as much as you can that you remember, and then when ready, visit the next video, Scholarship and Programs.